Quick tip today, if you're wiring up a new kayak, must have magnetic wire puller and a rare earth magnet. I'm going to show you how to do this, nice and simple. Alright, first thing we're going to do, we're going to get our little wire puller, put our two marine grade wires on there, just stick them through there like that, get you a piece of electrical tape, wrap them up good and tight. Just a couple wraps is all you need. There we are there. Rip that off. We have that. Then we're going to come up here to the front of the kayak. Got our rare earth magnet. We're going to stick that in there. Find it on the side. And we're just going to put our wires in here. This is 25 foot. The kayak's 13 foot 6 inches, so I have plenty of room. Get all that in there. All you're going to do is take that magnet and slowly move it down your kayak. It's like this. Slowly down. You can feel it still stuck on it, not scratching the kayak or anything like that, so you don't have to worry about any of that. We're still going, still going. We're down to the back. Take that off. Reach my hand in here. There we are. Our wires are through. That easy. If you like more tips like this, hit like, subscribe, share, do the whole thing. Help me out. I'm having a good time with this. We're going to have this thing on the water either tomorrow or Friday. I'm not sure which yet. Have to see what the weather's like, but see you soon.